Ever wondered why some people seem to have flawless, radiant skin regardless of their age? What is their secret? Today, we delve into the world of skincare to unravel the answers. The journey to youthful, glowing skin is not as elusive as you may think. It's all about understanding your skin's needs and treating it with care. So buckle up and let's unveil some practical and easy-to-follow skincare tips that can make a world of difference. Firstly, hydration is key. Not just drinking 8 glasses of water a day, but also using products that hydrate your skin. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which can lock in moisture and keep your skin supple. Secondly, never underestimate the power of a good cleanse. Twice a day in the morning and at night is the recommended routine. Avoid harsh cleansers that strip your skin of its natural oils. Instead, opt for gentle pH-balanced products that remove dirt and grime without causing dryness or irritation. Thirdly, exfoliation is crucial, but remember, it's not about scrubbing your skin raw. Use a mild exfoliator once or twice a week to slough off dead skin cells and reveal the fresh, glowing skin underneath. Fourthly, sunscreen is a non-negotiable. Sun damage is one of the primary causes of premature aging. It's not just for the beach days. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every day, come rain or shine. Lastly, invest in a good night cream. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. A quality night cream can support this process, providing nourishment and hydration, and leaving your skin soft and rejuvenated in the morning. To summarize, achieving radiant, youthful skin doesn't require a complicated regimen. It's about consistency and following the 5 golden rules. Hydrate, cleanse, exfoliate, protect, and nourish. Stick to these, and you're well on your way to a healthier, glowing complexion. Remember, the secret to great skin isn't a secret at all. It's about treating your skin with kindness and understanding its needs. So why wait? Start your journey towards radiant, youthful skin today, because you deserve to feel beautiful in your skin every single day.